flight Asia, going from Los Angeles to Zurich, Switzerland for the first time, I'm flying to Europe for the first time. It's very, very interesting flight. I never flew Swiss Air. This is the first time. As you can see, flight is packed, all right? And the flight duration is 10 hours 46 minutes. It's 10,069 kilometers. All right, so hope to have a very great flight. See you soon at Zurich. Oh, the Swiss Air. Now did you? At the Europe la dus chine. Do you? In that chicken la cham. And see the Air France study chine Budisha. And as a number now Dagda Risha 3. Look Dagda Risha. Packed Risha, completely packed flight. Going from Los Angeles to Zurich, Switzerland. Flight to this oh, what a blue color so chicken. Let's see. The land so any number I was in to super China. See that.
Gäste, wir bitten Sie noch so lange sitzen und angeschnallt zu bleiben, bis wir unsere Konstruktion erhalten haben, die Direktion Dienstgottzeichen ausgeschaltet sind. Kapitän Paul Bonat und seine Besatzung verabschieden sich hier in Zürich von Ihnen. Wir bedanken uns, dass Sie sich für Ihre Reise gewählt haben.
Connecting flight here, Oslo City. Choose to the Channel direction. Connecting flight gate A64. Or this do see the Zurich in the Butan, Namda. Or this ratio, any particular duty free. So, this ratio. Plus, the name oh yeah. So this is my gate going to Oslo City, A64, and the flight is at 6:30. So you can see the people at the airport. Nobody's wearing masks, to be honest. I think Europe is kind of COVID-free. No restriction for the mask. I don't see anybody wearing mask. Okay. और दूसरे शाह ini di शाह नमु खापरे बा नमु खापरे शाह बस सीधा di Zurich de Oslo di gala ya north ya to satu ba kani kenga de शाह
timepiece for 2021.